to AFT 24/7. We are at Mava Studios. It's the first day of Global Journalism Festival and AVGC Noida. Today we are at a very unique stall. She's reading tarot and let's talk to her about her stall. Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Can you tell us about your stall?
Yeah, so basically, I'm offering tarot services, tarot readings, and pendulum readings as well. So, tarot readings and pendulum readings are basically a kind of divination tool. So, it helps people, navigate different life situations and life problems. So, yeah, that's what I'm offering.
That's nice. And what questions do students regularly ask you?
There are a lot of questions. It can be related to any aspect of their life. It can be career, it can be health related or relationship related. So yeah, there are a lot of different kind of questions we get.
Do you think there's something in common in the students that they usually, ask?
Yeah, mostly students are curious about their career. So that is a very common question that I get.
And how did you get into tarot reading?
I'm really interested in occult and like mystical, subjects. I like learning about different modalities like Reiki, energy healing, tarot, similar stuff. So that's why I got into it because I have a lot of interest and I like.
So what is this SWOT analysis? Is this some sort of psychology thing?
Yeah, it is kind of. So I'm doing a SWOT analysis using tarot. So I will be picking 4 cards for the question, the querent, and then I will write their strength, weakness, opportunity, or relate whatever comes according to the cards. I'll write it down and I'll just give it to them, so they have something to.
And what is tarot reading hard or is it witchcraft or something? Some people say that.
No, it's not witchcraft. It's a divination tool. Many people do it, and it's basically So it's basically about learning how to look into the probabilities of a person's life. It's not only about predicting something. It's not about making like 100% accurate prediction. It's about exploring the possibilities, and it's based on the energy of the person. So it's all about the present energy.
That's so cool though. I love tarot reading, So my last question would be, what inspired you to do the tarot reading?
As it's my interest, and I have seen a lot of other tarot readers online, and I got inspired from that because even I used to get a lot of tarot readings. So it really, it connected to me that way. So that's why.
Oh, so you felt like, oh shit, that was true. How did that?
Yeah.
How did she know?
Exactly. Yeah. So I want to give the same feeling to somebody else.
Yeah, that's something new.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks for your time.
Thank you so much.
For such more updates, keep watching AFT 24/7. This is Katyayani Singh with video journalist Anmol Chauhan.